Have you ever sat in class thinking, I don't feel like studying today? Or maybe you just want to talk to your friends instead? I totally get it. But wait, did you know that school is actually an amazing place full of cool secrets? Let me tell you why. Hi, I'm Rilo, and guess what? I have my backpack, my glasses, and my hat, which means I'm ready for an adventure. And do you know where we find the best adventures? School. Yeah, you heard me right. Think about it, where else can you learn about wild animals, roar? How to count all the money in your piggy bank, cha-ching? Or about the huge universe full of twinkling stars, wow. But, sometimes, we don't feel like studying, right? Maybe you feel bored, or a subject feels too hard, or you just want to chat with your friends. It happens. But here's the thing, when you're not paying attention, you're the one missing out. Let's say you woke up early, brushed your teeth, ate your breakfast, put on your school bag, and came all the way to class. But then, you don't learn anything? That's like going to a birthday party and skipping the cake, no way. That's the best part. And guess what else? Your parents work super hard so you can go to school, have books, a cool backpack, and yummy lunches. So let's make it count. And don't worry if some subjects feel tricky, nobody is perfect at everything. But instead of giving up, what should you do? That's right. Ask your teacher, your parents, or a super smart friend for help. Just remember, school is like a treasure chest full of fun things to learn. Your teacher wants to help you be awesome. Your parents believe in you and want you to have the best future. And don't worry, you can still have fun. Play at recess, run in the park, laugh with your friends. But when it's time to learn, let's give it our best. Because one day, you will be the next great scientist, artist, teacher, or even an astronaut. Now think about what do you want to be when you grow up. And if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share this with your classmates, and subscribe to this channel because we have a new video coming on Wednesday.